Good morning, traders. AAPL on March 24th. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. In front of you, the power of the system. If you were in the trading room yesterday, we identified that market will sell off from this level many hours in advance. This is exactly what played out. In overnight session, market sold off and reached this key support. We identified with students if this key support remains, you are not shorting near. Price been stuck mid-trend between two key Alpha Fibonacci levels. Intelligent trader does not short near this level. This morning, trading range extremely narrow. But as long as this support remains intact, intelligent trader never ever shorting into. So this is a market right now, and this is what intelligent trader understands and knows. It's a brutal chop, it's overextended rally. Buying the market into resistance will give you these results. It's an overextended rally, but the only option to buy from support. So what does intelligent trader understand about this moment? This is extremely aggressive trade. And if you decide to take this trade, you're engraving very aggressive habits. This is your key target, as you can see, the word reversal zone. You're placing your key target at decision point 2 and you're moving your stop outside of break even. This is a critical key moment. This is your very limited trading range. But again, and again, and again, when Alpha Fibonacci support respected, you never, ever shorting into. So for all the reasons we discuss these formations, we discuss what to expect next with my brilliant students. So if you take a look on this chart, which is the most important chart that prepares you for trading day, plenty of trades here at the bullish trend inception. This is where much more conservative trades are. Here, trades are very aggressive. And that's the market right now. And that's what intelligent trader understands. When price at bold green line, you are never ever shorting into. Your only option to buy. So intelligent trader who understands whatever you do every single day, you will do more of every day. Intelligent trader who traded in European session, who bought the market at the bottom, has zero interest touching this very aggressive trade. Again, why is it aggressive? Because you have a bold red line in front of you. Because bullish rally well overextended. Demanding powerful pullback is the key. And that's your strategic Alpha Fibonacci trading on any instrument you choose. And that's S&P at the market open on March 24th. So if price collapsing right now, it's a beautiful news. We are at reversal zone, not the place to enter into. Intelligent trader identified this with Alpha Fibonacci system well in advance. Crash and burn S&P. Remind everyone the power and precision of this system, the importance of obeying reversal zone, and the reason I named this level reversal zone. You are never, ever entering into. So if price remains stuck between this key support and reversal zone, it's massive junk. What does this mean? It means institutions keep buying the market. This is the institutional chart strategic trader starts with. It's a vertical bullish rally. Vertical bullish rally where institutional support remains intact. Strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader trades with institutions and never ever ever against them. And that's the only option this morning. Overextended bullish rally where institutions buying every single pullback. Do not overcomplicate trading. Do not block the price with junky indicators. This is pure price and Alpha Fibonacci only. You will never ever ever need anything else. So take a look at these numbers on S&P. 39.18. Historical levels. Historical numbers. But let me show you how Alpha Fibonacci system identified this and historical crash many months in advance, and how you as a day trader and position trader can take advantage of strategic advanced Alpha Fibonacci system. Again, here is S&P. 14 months ago, at reversal zone. Many months and years in advance, you know. When market will crash and burn, price will reverse here at the bottom. When market starts selling off, no one is surprised. Key institutional levels are out. Historical sell-off in a progress. Strategic trader, very well prepared. Strategic investor protecting long-term positions. No panic, no negativity is present. So when market's selling off, strategic trader identifies with ultimate precision 2200 level next. And when on Black Thursday, March 23rd, this level is reached, strategic day trader and investor buying S&P at institutional bullish trend inception. When bullish rally starts, despite worst crisis in the last 100+ years, you know many months ahead where reversal zone will be. Negativity and nightmare on the news owned by top 1%. Panic sells. Top 1% buying everything. It's the biggest vertical rally in 40 years. What is the difference with this rally? What is the difference with this morning versus March a year ago? Every single time, institutional support being respected. Institutions not closing positions. More and more headquarters being opened in Florida because institutions, hedge funds, multi-million, multi-billion dollars do not want to pay taxes. Do you understand that? Do you? When you make a million, a 10, 100, a billion, or 2 or 30 or 50, would you want to pay taxes? Or would you prefer to open office in Florida and wait? Overextended bullish rally zone. Goldman opened office in Miami. So many major institutions doing exact same thing. That's the power of the system. You knew this many months ahead. Institutional support remains intact. But this is a very different March a year later. Market at the top, market not at the bottom. This is a stunning lesson. Trade with institutions, not against them. But understand the difference of spectacular day and position trading at ultimate bottom. March 2020. There is nothing in common between trading here versus trading here. March 2020, you had hundreds of trades per day, especially on Nasdaq, on Dow and S&P, market flying, institutions taking positions, multi-million, multi-billion dollar positions are taken. Starting March 23rd. It's exactly a year ago where a bullish rally had started. It's spectacular. It's at the bottom, at the bullish trend inception. Today we are at 3930 level. It's a very different market. You can manage this market. You understand the danger of buying the top. You understand that you can trade any and all markets. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system for the last year. And that's a very different trading. But time and time, again and again, when price comes to reversal zone and key support level is out, market will go into free fall. This is day trading in front of you on S&P. This is institutional rally on S&P index fund, which you can invest with using Alpha Fibonacci system. Here you holding position for months. Here you holding position for minutes. Massive junk at reversal zone. Market not selling off. Institutions keep adding to their longs. What you're witnessing in front of you right now is exact same thing that played out on S&P institutional chart in the month of June. The difference here, this is your long-term investment positions. This is institutional chart. This is your day trading right now. Identical precision, identical power. Knowing the rules, obeying the rules, and the sky's the limit. You decide what you want to trade. But there is nothing in common between market now versus market on March 23rd, 24th, 2020. But S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 3930. What is the problem? Key support remains respected. Market not selling off. And that's the power of the system right now. Again and again and again. Institutions keep buying every single pullback. Overextended bullish rally can last many, many months and many, many years. These are the most dangerous market conditions on record. In regular markets at present 20-30% of the time, in current markets 80-90% of the time. You can manage this, you can trade anything. That's it. That's the power of the system. There is no shorts. Key support being respected. Time and time again. When market at key Alpha Fibonacci support, your only option to buy from. But again and again and again. It's a very different market a year later. That's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system. Buying here is very different than buying here. You can trade this. Everything else will be a breeze. You will be prepared for the next crisis. You will sleep much better at night. You will not panic. You will not gamble. You will not be trigger-happy cowboy. This is strategic, intelligent, rule-based system. You decide what you want to trade. So here's the exact same thing on Bitcoin. Bitcoin stuck in massive junk. Bitcoin is frozen. Where was a stunning place to buy Bitcoin? At the bottom, of course. Here. We agree? So when Ken does this during crisis in London, no one should be surprised. You decide what you want to trade. System based on pure price. Pure price present on any and every instrument. King just started the course, trading Forex. Choice is yours. Mustafa trading oil. It's absolutely your choice. This is the emails just right now. You decide what you want to trade. And when I go back to S&P right now, what do you see? Crash and burn, pretty please. Do exact same thing as you done yesterday. Remind everyone the importance of obeying the rules and staying in your lane. It's exact same thing as Lewis Hamilton does. It's exact same thing as Tom Brady does. Make an effort, obey the rules. The skies are the limit. Do not speculate, do not gamble. It will never work. Stop chasing indicators. Stop creating your own strategies. Trading the system, trade it globally, from beginner to hedge fund manager. And if price collapsing to drastically lower level, it's a beautiful gift. This is the support we are watching. Remember that. It's simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. So if you know where to buy, where to sell, if you know where your stop, where your targets are, would you be a better trader? Pretty please do tell me. Did we know or did we know that this is not the place to enter? It's a reversal zone, ladies and gentlemen. Correct? Do not overcomplicate trading. Finally, key support is out. Collapse. Crash and burn S&P, pretty please. This is what intelligent trader demands. Intelligent trader knows what separates sell-off versus junk. And that's S&P on spectacular Tuesday morning. Yesterday was phenomenal. Today is breathtaking. Once again, with the power and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci system. So currently we're monitoring this key Alpha Fibonacci support, price being here at this support for the last 5 hours. If I convert this chart to 5, what do you see? This is the system. This level's been present in the room for the last 2 days. This is the software in front of you on every single chart you trade. And if I convert this chart to 15, to any chart, it's identical levels. European session was a day trader's dream. This is very narrow trading range. This is key support. Intelligent trader monitors this morning. And again, you knew this hours and days ahead. Of course, it's a critical key support in front of you. It's identical move as you saw before. This is a key obstacle. This is the reason this is an aggressive trade. This is what intelligent trader understands. There is a very big difference between trading a year ago versus now. These are very aggressive trades. There are no other trades that are present now. This is the obstacle that was not present a year ago. It is present now. That's it, traders. Another stunning reminder of the power of the system as we keep watching this critical Alpha Fibonacci support for the last 6 hours. A strategic trader understands the danger of these levels. Trading 2021 requires drastically better skill than trading a year ago. You can manage these market conditions. Everything else will be a breeze. On any instrument you will decide to trade. So here's oil, as I work with incredible student in Saudi Arabia. Of course, all the stocks in Saudi Arabia based on oil, absolutely. You are looking on spectacular bullish rally on oil from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, correct? What would your account look like if you invested in oil stocks with Alpha Fibonacci system? This was sell-off on oil 2018. What do you see at the bottom? 10, correct? That's 2018, traders. Oil crashing, and of course you knew reversal zone many months ahead. So when oil's selling off 2 years later, you are not surprised when oil showing these numbers, 0 and negative next. Contract changes on oil every 3 months, remember that? 2 years later, oil in free fall, showing negative, showing 0. Day trading not your cup of tea. You're buying oil stocks with Alpha Fibonacci system at the bottom. This is not the bottom right now, is it? And that's the power of the system on any instrument you choose to trade. What to do with your position on oil right now? You must obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. Oil at key institutional strategic support. But you knew this many months ahead. Apple selling off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You never ever entering into. So is gold. What to do with your position on gold right now? Obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. For the last 3 weeks, oil bouncing from this, gold bouncing from this reversal zone. This is what gold looked like many months ago. This is what gold looked like before sell-off. That's the power of the system. On S&P, on oil, on gold, on Apple, on any instrument you choose to trade. And this is S&P right now. We knew this before it played out. This is the only option. It's a very different trading a year ago versus now. But if you obey the rules, the skies are the limit. no matter what instrument, no matter what account. So again and again and again, price comes to reversal zone, and this is what you get. This is not the place to enter your long, correct? This is a place to exit your position. It's a reversal zone, correct? Is everyone seeing this time and time again? Remember where gold crashed from? Reversal zone, not a place to buy gold, correct? Do not overcomplicate trading. This was gold at 2000 level. This was gold before the sell-off. And this is S&P day trading chart right now. It's exact same thing. You do not have to wait for weeks, months and years to see the power of the system traded globally. You see it in front of you every single day. Buy at key levels when rules are obeyed. And never ever ever enter into reversal zone. Word reversal zone means expect reversal. Do not overcomplicate trading. Tesla had done exact same thing. Sold off from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Currently sitting mid-trend between institutional support and institutional resistance. Tesla been here for the last 4 weeks. And that's S&P in front of you right now. It's exact same thing. To the tick. So if you're ready to trade in any and all market conditions, I look forward to working with you. I live and breathe what I do. I mentor traders globally since 2011. How to trade successfully with Alpha Fibonacci System on future stocks, bitcoins, options. I work with hedge fund managers. I work with beginner traders. I work with JP Morgan traders. So if these traders can do it, so can you. If Brett can go from $10 an hour to $3,500 a day, if Emmanuel brought his wife to the course and best friend trading Nasdaq, Dow, any instrument, if Carlton can trade for a hedge fund, if Ken can do 156 out of 156 trades on Bitcoin, as I shared, as you can view movie he made about his life on the website, if Richard can quadruple his retirement account, if David can trade any instrument, what are you waiting for? If you start today, you will be prepared for the next crisis. First option applies to any platform. It's a lifetime system. Live classes, video library, modules, live trading room included. Second option, lifetime software for NinjaTrade and lifetime system for any platform. 3 months live group course. Private mentoring, I hold your hand. I give you homework, I quiz you, I test you. I teach you how to place a trade. Proper technical execution is crucial. But please do view students' emails. Tens of thousands of emails keep coming every single day. If these traders can do it, so can you. Receiving the text like this on Christmas Day is a gift, is a reason I love what I do. So please, listen to students' podcasts, view students' performance, read students' reviews. And if you join us today and you obey the rules, you can do this. Because if Brad can, so can you. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again and again and again, S&P reminding you instantly. Do not enter into reversal zone. It will never ever work. Obey the rules. And the sky's the limit, no matter what you trade. Choice is yours. Simply make an effort. That's all you have to do. with Alpha Fibonacci System, as traders do globally for the last 10 years.